Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel IT Paradigm. So in this video we are going to learn how to use Google Docs in our phone, or we can say this is a Google Docs tutorial for beginners. This tutorial is going to be in 3 parts and each part is a step to become master of this application. So let's start the video by downloading the application. Go on Play Store and search Docs. So here is our application. As I have already installed the application, let's open the app. For the very first time you will see these pamphlets. Write on the go, share and edit together, automatically save to the web and edit Word documents. So this is the main screen of the app. On the upper right corner you will get the option to change the Google account from here, and at the lower right corner you will get the option, the plus symbol, to create a new document or choose one template. So let's tap on this plus icon. Here we have two options, choose template or new document. So right now a simple question arises that what are templates? So let me tell, templates are the ready-made documents having the preset font style, font color, font size, images, shapes, everything is already done in a document, and this is known as a template. So for the first time let's choose template and let's review it. I found one very interesting. This is education essay. Let's select this. It will take a little time to load. Let's see the result. Okay, so here is our beautiful presentation, or sorry, a beautiful template. So this template has so many stuff, and also in all the template you will get different stuff filled in those template. So in this template I got an image of kitten. There are some headings, cat the ideal pet, having different color and different sizes. Also we get so much of text here. This is basically an essay on an ideal pet cat. So in the last we get some shapes. These are lines and a cross symbol. What you can do, you can edit the text to make this template your own document. To edit the text, simply tap on this pencil symbol and place the cursor wherever you want to edit the text. Remove all the text and write whatever you want. Okay, so this is how you can edit the text and make this template your document. So this was method 1 to create your document. Now let's go back, and this time we will be choosing a new document. After tapping on new document you will get a blank white page having a blinking cursor on the left upper side. So to experiment we need some text. Let's type one text, or for a lengthy text I would recommend to use this voice typing option available in your keyboard. Right now I am going to use it. Let's tap it and I will speak whatever I want to write. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel IT Paradigm. If you are new to this channel or watching my videos for the first time, consider subscribing it and tap the bell icon to never miss any update of useful videos. Okay, so now you can see here is our text and it is looking so simple. It is black in color and the font is very simple. So it's time for text formatting. What is formatting? Formatting means changing the appearance of something. Here we are going to change the appearance of text, so it is called text formatting. Now select the text by tap and hold and dragging. Now the whole text is selected. Now go on this A option behind add comment. There is A option. This is A for adjustment. So tap on here. Now we get two options, text and paragraph. Under the text we get so many options. The first is bold, italics, underline, strike through, superscript and subscript. So these are very similar options that we get in Google Slides also. Let's remove all the formatting. After that, we get the option of style. We can change the style from normal text to title, subtitle, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, any heading we can choose. Or if we want to show that the text is normal, we can select it to normal. Go back. After that, we get the option of font. We can change the font from here. By default, it is set to Arial. We can change it to Caveat, Comforta, Comic Sans, MS. I like this one, CAVEAT, Caveat. Go back. The next is the size. We can increase or decrease the size from here. By using the up arrow, we can increase the size, or by tapping on down arrow, we can decrease the size. Okay, this much is good. After that, we have text color. We can change the text from black to any other color. By tapping on it, we get so many options. After selecting any color, we get some versions of that selected color. We can select any light color or the darker color. Now go back. After that, we get a highlight color. Highlight color is something like the highlighter you use to highlight the text of the book. So the same work is done by this highlight color. Select any color to highlight the text, or you can choose the lighter version of that color like this. Or if you do not want any highlight color, you can tap on this none option to remove the highlight color. Now highlight color is removed, but we want to learn more option. Go on the adjustment. The last option is clear formatting. Clear formatting is used when we want to clear all the formatting we have applied. Like we have applied the font, we have applied the color. So if you want to remove the formatting, select this option. I am not selecting it. Now next, go to paragraph. We have alignment option at the top. By default, it is set to left alignment. We can set it to center, right, or justify. So to make your document look attractive, the justify option is great. Like this is this option makes the document ideal document. Or you can select left or right. So right now I am selecting the justify. Some more options are here, like we can adjust the text like this by using this option. We can add numbering also from here, or the bullet points from here. To add the bullet points, select any bullet option, or if you want to remove this bullet point, you have to re-tap on this icon or this option. Now the bullet point is removed. The last option under the text formatting is line spacing. We can increase or decrease the space between the line. The minimum is 1 and the maximum is 2. So 1 and 1.15 is good, but 2 is very much, like this much spacing is not good. So this was all for this video. Otherwise the video will become lengthy and you will lose the interest of watching this video. In the next video, we will learn something more interesting that will amaze you and will make you the master of this application. So keep on watching, and also thank you for watching the full video. See you in the next video, and till then, bye bye, take care, see you soon.